I want to write a poem just for me. But how do I write a poem when I'm stuck up in a tree? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So, while I was at work today, and yes, I do work from time to time, I dropped a frozen biscuit on my face. I got a little bruise, and I keep biting my lip. So please. Oh, I promise you, I'm not going crazy, but you may have just kind of witnessed a mini mental breakdown. I don't know. I just film sometimes, and things, you know, they say, you know, I say things. When I got home from work, I had seen it, the little bruise, and I got pinned on my finger. But goodness. And when I had gotten home from work, I saw that there was something in my teeth, or so I thought. And I was like, no, this is the bruise that I got from dropping a frozen biscuit on my face. But yeah, I noticed, and I was like, what is this? And I was like, it's not coming off. But yeah, work, it was fun today. Mainly because I didn't die. Looks like it's a bit windy out here. Dilly, you know what day it is? It's May 4th. May the 4th be with you. Good girl.
I saw this really cool idea on TikTok where you make little baby Grogu deviled eggs. So I'm going to do that today. I don't think I've ever seen my parents buy 60 eggs, but this week they did. So I truly think that the force was at work this week. All right, now I cut up these eggs, and what you do is you cut the egg in half, and then you cut the half in half. So then you get these little pieces that you can put on top. Pretty cool. I'm just over here making a mess, but I got the egg mixture here. I usually do salt and pepper, but I think I'll do just salt so you don't see all the little black flakes. But I have to smooth this out. But I've been adding green food dye, and every time I add mayo, it makes it lighter, so that's cute. All right, now you can put the filling in a piping bag or just a little storage bag. All right, mine are a bit derpy, but they're still so cute. Those are super fun to make. They were super cute, and they're not super expensive, so I would definitely give this one a try. Thank you guys for watching so much, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!